Have you ever wondered if you can extract data from a piece of paper and turn that into a real spreadsheet? This is Yani and I'm going to show you how to do that using Zoho Sheet. With Zoho Sheet, you can convert your table of data from a piece of paper to a spreadsheet in seconds. You can even preview, edit, or correct any misread data before it's turned into a real spreadsheet. By removing manual entry, you can focus more on analysis and decision making. Zoho Sheet's data from picture is available on the web, Android, and iOS, and it lets you capture and convert data anytime, anywhere, making data entry super easy. On the home screen of your Zoho Sheet mobile app, tap the plus icon at the bottom and select data from picture. You can either click an image using your camera or choose an image from your gallery. I'm going to go with the gallery, and let's say this is my image for today and click the check mark. I can also set the dimensions right so that everything in my content is clear and click get text. This is the original image and this is the data preview that you get where you can verify and edit your data as you wish, and click create. And just like that, your data is ready to work with. Now we saw how to use the data from picture feature using Zoho Sheet mobile app, and coming up we'll see how to use the same in the web apps. Let us see how to use the data from picture feature in web. So go to the data tab and select data from picture. Now you can drag and drop your file as you wish, and let's say this is my image and I'm going to click it open. Now I can also set the dimensions right like I did in the mobile app and click next. Now this will give me a preview of the data that I originally had in the image and what is going to be there in the spreadsheet, so I can verify and edit if something is incorrect. So this is how easy it is to use data from picture feature in Zoho Sheet web and mobile applications and turn any printed table into smart editable spreadsheet data in seconds. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.